Want to get your DoorDash earnings directly into Cash App? It's a popular and efficient way to manage your funds. Here's how. Open your DoorDash Dasher app and navigate to Earnings, then Direct Deposit, and select Add Account. Choose Cash App as your bank. You'll need Cash App's routing number, usually 1210248, and your unique account number, found in Cash App under Profile, Settings, Support, and Direct Deposit info. Confirm the link through Cash App's verification process, often a small test deposit. This streamlined process can link your accounts in seconds. Most deposits arrive within 1 to 3 business days after each payout cycle. DoorDash typically pays weekly on Fridays, with deposits going directly into your linked Cash App account through secure ACH transfers. Cash App doesn't charge fees for receiving direct deposits from DasherDirect, and DoorDash itself doesn't charge any fees for using this payment system. However, withdrawing funds from Cash App to an external bank account incurs a small fee, around 25 cents for standard ACH transfers or 25 to 75 cents for instant transfers. Be aware of these potential Cash App charges. By using Cash App for your DasherDirect deposits, you gain quick access to your earnings and greater control over your money, allowing you to manage your finances more effectively.